If you guys don't want to save money, just go ahead and skip this video because it's not for you. Imagine your car secretly cooking its most vital parts the moment you turn off your engine. This invisible menace is costing many drivers a fortune in repair, but a smart little known secret could be the secret which keeps your pocket more full this summer. During the summer heat, the ambient temperatures are extremely high, meaning that the heat on the inside of the engine cannot dissipate as quickly as it should, which is the reason why you need to open up your hood for at least 20 to 30 minutes from the time you turned off your car. A perfect example of a car that this issue is known for is the Ford F-150s. Overlooking heat soak can lead to failures in critical components such as fuel injectors, your sensors, and even your battery, which the replacements on those costing can range anywhere from a few $100s to over $1,000. And that does not include labor, which that can be an additional $500 to $800 on top. Now, the average person does not care about that until it personally affects you and you have to pay out of pocket. So an easy way to avoid that from happening is just to open up your hood. And this will help you save money in the long run. And if you guys enjoyed this fun fact, go ahead and like, follow, share, and subscribe as we're on the road to 500 subscribers. And once we hit that 500, I will do a randomized draw with the winner. And the only way to qualify is by just making sure that you are a subscriber of the channel and you go ahead and like and comment underneath all of the videos that I put out. And I do keep track of everything. So I'll see you guys in the next one.